easy. So, Kupu, ngā Tuhituhi Māori. So the reason I'm here for this whole week is because this kaupapa is all about for Māori, by Māori, and in te reo Māori. And so for me, as I'm going to say, a closet Māori writer, this has given me the confidence and energized me and fed my wairua. And so it's just awesome that this kaupapa is here for me and for all te ao Māori. So, koina, thank you. Okay, I've come to every session. The program has been really awesome. The speakers have inspired me to travel, to actually come here and tautoko this kaupapa. The speakers, every night in every session, every speaker has, iwi kai kōrero has given me a little kinaki, that I have a little taonga that I've been able to take with me, and that taonga that I'm very humble to receive will actually stay with me for the rest of my life. But the other thing, it'll probably give me the incentive to hurry up and do what I need to do, which is what? Which is whakapiki, e tautoko ana te reo Māori, and tuhituhi, tuhituhi, tuhituhi.